Hello friends, welcome to my channel and thanks for watching this video. Friends, in this video we are going to discuss about Sunworks INC, and what you can see here, because we are referring to the daily chart, is probably a sharp upshoot, and then so looking at the current structure, what you can simply say, when I'm referring to the current structure, I am more specific to this part, that you can see that there is a consolidation which is going on after this move. Okay, so here we have that from September it went up to like 1000%. Okay, then it fell down and trying to consolidate within a range. So we are going to discuss about the trend, but before that, if you haven't subscribed my channel, hit on the subscription button and also hit on the notification bell to get the notification of my upcoming videos. Now, previously when the stock broke this resistance level and started moving up, so the trend changed like this. So you have your support levels, okay, and on the upside you have you can see your resistance level somewhere near here. So we can't say that even here we have. So looking at this, you can't say that even the volatility increases over a period of this time, in the last 2 or 3 months. It is quite natural and it is moving in a sync. Okay, so here you can see that this is evidence that how chart is moving over a period of time. Now let me just remove this one, and these are the levels. Okay, so after this upshoot, it, it corrected down, and probably this is the range. Okay, so because of this straightforward upshoot of 1000%, obviously it makes the stock very volatile in the short term. So it is quite evident what you can see in the stock price, but the thing, or the most important thing which one need to do here, or in this case, is respect your support and resistance level, and first of all understand it quite well. That's the big thing to understand here. So on the downside you have $2, 2.0, then 1.9, then you have 1.8, and probably you have 1.6. so these are your important support levels. Okay, and if it fell below 1.6, obviously what you can see will be a point at 0.69. Okay, so if these support levels, you have 3 or 4 support levels, breaks, then if it will break, then obviously we'll see much below, or the things which could turn around in a negative way. So understand these are the levels, and whether you are sufficient, or you are comfortable to take this kind of risk on the downside. But looking at the current trade in a simple way, you can say that this is the level. Okay, this is the level inside which it's going to probably consolidate. I mean, how long will it consolidate? Nobody knows. Okay, when will it break out or break down? That timing nobody can say, talk about, or nobody can exactly say. So on this day this will happen on this time. What you can do, you can just observe the trend, place your stop losses, and whenever it hits the support, take position. Whenever it hits the resistance, uh, just understand the position, whether you want to stay with that, or you have enough profit and you want to move out. So this is the only thing you can do. Now, keeping all this thing in mind, I have already explained you the support level. On the upside, you have your first target or resistance at 4.2, and then you have So you have your next resistance or target at 4.9, and in case the stock moves above and stay above 4.9 or $5, you could probably see the previous high of 8.5, 8 or 8.5. So this is the level you need to understand and act accordingly. You have lots of support and lots of resistance in between, and the stock could spend an ample amount of time after this 1000% move in a very short term. So that's also a thing which one need to understand, and probably if it decide to consolidate, it will spend quite a time. So this is the end of the video. If you like this content, do share your thoughts in the comment section and subscribe my channel. Lastly, take care of your family and friends.